In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a video into a photo in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to grab a clean still image from a video, whether it's for thumbnails, social media posts, reference images, or just saving a perfect frame. And the best part is, you don't need any complicated editing skills to do it. So, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and import your video into your project. Once your video is loaded, drag it down onto your timeline so you can work with it more easily. This is where all the editing happens, and it gives you full control over the exact frame you want to capture. Next, scrub through your video and move the playhead to the exact frame you want to turn into a photo. Take your time here, because even a single frame can make a difference if you want the picture to look sharp and clean. Once you've found the perfect frame, look at the top right corner of your video preview screen. You'll see a 3 horizontal lines menu icon there, and that's the next step. Click that menu icon to open the drop-down options. From the list that appears, select Export Still Frames. This is the feature in CapCut that lets you save a single frame from your video as an image file. After you click it, a dialog box will pop up with export settings. Here, you can customize your options before saving the image. Depending on what you need, you may want to check the format, quality, or where the file will be saved on your computer. Once you've reviewed the settings and made any changes you want, click Export. CapCut will then save that exact video frame as a photo on your device. And that's it. You've successfully turned a video into a photo in CapCut PC. It's fast, easy, and perfect when you need a still image from any clip without using extra software. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.